So guys, if you want to know how I achieved this delicious yummy bitter leaf soup, please guys stay tuned and watch to the end. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this opportunity and do so if it's your first time of coming across my channel. So let me introduce you guys to the ingredients I'll be using for today's recipe. Here we have red meat and shaki, and this one is cow leg and cow skin, salt, cocoyam. This is the bitter leaf we are talking about. What I have is dried bitter leaf, but I have cooked it before, so I'll be using it for this recipe. And the crayfish, dry fish and stock fish. We have dry fish, this mangala, and stock fish, that's okporoko. And here we have red oil. Guys, here we have ogiri, that's oil seed. When you're cooking a bitter leaf soup and you did not add this ingredient, I don't think that the taste will be complete. So many people don't like it because of the smell, because it smells a lot. I'm telling you, my dear, it smells a lot. But when you add it to your soup, there's a kind of taste that it gives your soup, and it's very, very, very good. I'm telling you. Here we have uziza leaf, 2 stock cube, and the scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, first thing I have to do right now is just to cook the cocoyam until it's soft. All you have to do is to take a pot and then put the cocoyam into the pot and pour enough water into it, then you cook. Right now I'm going to cover up the pot to allow it to cook. So still waiting for the cocoyam to cook very well. I'm just going to blend the crayfish and the pepper together. So right now I'm going to add some water into I'm going to wash the fish. All I have to do now is just to pour water into the plate, and then I will debone the fish, the dry fish. You have to be careful so that you not hurt yourself. Guys, I have drained out the water. I have done that off camera. All I have to do now is just to debone the fish, and then I'll wash it with cool water. When you cook bitter leaf with this dry fish, it gives it a good taste, this mangala. So guys, right now I'm going to check on the cocoyam to know if it's done. It's very soft now. All I have to do is just to take it down. I'll be using this big pot to prepare the bitter leaf soup. Next, I'm just going to cook the cow leg, cow skin and shaki together, because they are the hard meats we have here. So I have to cook them first before I'll add the red meat. I'll be adding water into it. I'll be seasoning the meat with this nut cube. So guys, I will also add the stock fish into the As I'm waiting for the meat to cook, I'm just going to peel off the cocoyam skin out, and then I'll blend it. It's very hot, so you have to be careful. It's very, very hot. I'm done peeling the coconut skin. Right now I'm just going to put it into the food processor, then I'll blend it. You can add water if you like, but for me I don't like adding water so that it will be thick. Bitter leaf soup takes a lot of time. For you to get a delicious yummy bitter leaf soup, you have to bring out your time to prepare it. Right now I'm just going to transfer it into the bowl. So this is how it looks after the blending. So I'm just going to transfer it into the bowl now. At this point I'll be checking the color to know. As you can see, it's okay. I'll be adding the red meat right now. So I'll also add more water to it, as you can see now. I will leave it to cook for more 30 minutes, then I'll add the dry fish and everything. After 30 minutes of cooking, I'll be adding the dry fish. Stir up the pot and cover it up and allow it to cook for some minutes. Next, I'll be adding the red oil now, and after that I will stir up the pot and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. I'll be adding the bitter leaf right now. Like I said before, the bitter leaf I'm using is a dry bitter leaf. I have cooked it before, but I have to put it earlier so that after the cooking it will be very soft. So let me put it right now. I'm just going to stir everything together, and then I'll cover the pot and I'll allow it to cook for some minutes. Right now I'll be adding the blended crayfish. After that, I'll stir up the pot. I'll also be adding the uziza leaf. I'll allow it to cook for some minutes, then I'll add the cocoyam. So guys, at this point I'll be adding the ogiri. That's the oil seed. I'll be adding it now. So right now I'll be adding the cocoyam. The cocoyam acts as a thickener. So I'm just going to sprinkle some salt on it so that it will dissolve very fast. And allow it to dissolve, and our food will be ready. So guys, right now I'm going to check if the cocoyam have dissolved. As you can see, everything have dissolved. All I have to do is just to stir up the pot, and then our delicious bitter leaf soup is ready. It is so ready. I'm just going to transfer it into a pot so that you guys can see it. So guys, our delicious bitter leaf soup is ready. You can eat it with any swallow of your choice, be it fufu, gari, pounded yam, starch, oatmeal, anyone, plantain fufu, anything. You can just use. So guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly comment and like my videos. Always have in mind that God loves you so much and that you're wonderfully and fearfully made by God. So there's no cause for you to be afraid of one thing or the other. Stay blessed wherever you are, and bye bye. Love you.